Ah, see, there's some boats out there now, heading out to fish. Is this an island? No, what is this? It's just some
Small.
little thing.
Yeah. The rocks.
Ah, it's just a rock. Yeah.
In the middle of
And the mountains there, you can see that. These are. This is Langkawi. Ah, of course. Thailand is over there, right?
Yeah, Thailand is over there.
So and this is Langkawi. And there's also, is there Tuba Island? Or is this, you can see this? No, it's from the other side.
The other side.
Have you been to Langkawi?
Yeah, a few times.
I haven't been. Check it out, nice, eh? This is a cool place. Now this is like a power plant.
Yeah,
oh my god.
Yeah, power plant.
Yeah. That's not so nice to look at, but yet interesting.
They use the ash from the paddy.
Oh, they do. Interesting.
So after they cut, they harvest.
Yeah.
From the paddy.
Yeah.
So they come up with the ash.
Okay.
We call the waste of the paddy. So they bring to here.
Do they pay the farmers for the waste, or for for the ashes, or?
Maybe they collect.
But they. Okay.
I'm not.
So they
not
just
so
take
sure.
care of the garbage, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Nice. So there's two people out for shrimp, I think, but they just came out of the water. But that's okay, I just missed them. But check it out, how the sea is low now. And the birds over there. And yes, Langkawi on the other side, which I still have not visited. But tell you the truth, no, I do want to go to Langkawi, and it's probably not going to be this time, because soon to be leaving Malaysia. But we will be back next year, as soon as this Corona madness is over, hopefully. Check it out, how beautiful. Oh, check out, they wear long trousers. Oh, wow. Oh, check it out, she's got something in her hands. Putting on my mask because, don't want to be caught doing something. Assalamualaikum. Whoa, this one, fish, ikan. Wow. Check it out. Can I see this? Whoa. Catfish. Catfish. Anything's catfish. That's a nice catfish, I think. See? Check it out. Hello. Hello, Mr. Fish. Hello, sir. Wow, good work. Yeah, deep inside the mud. Yeah, we're gonna do that too, actually. But my friend Nabil wants to take me. Here's the drone again. Yes. Hello, hello. Let's look at the footage from above. This is filming from the air. It's not an animal. I think it feels like. Bye-bye. It sometimes feels like a giant insect here. Cool. I want to go out there to that pier, on this rock pier. So let's check it out. I'll run there and I'll show you the footage. Let's go out there. Wow. Filming the drone. Hello, Mr. Drone. Ah, check out where I am. It is, I cannot say in any other way, pretty damn awesome here, huh? Come on. And no tourist has ever set foot here, I'm saying. Not sure if that's true, but definitely Perlis does not see many visitors. People just pass by to go to Langkawi. They're missing, yeah, they do miss a gem, and I hope some of them will come. But not overdoing it, okay? Do not spoil this place, please.